Well, we have some breaking economic news. Statistics Canada has just released the latest inflation numbers. Scott Peterson has been going through that June report for us. So what are we looking at?
We're looking at an environment of rising prices, pretty much in line with what economists were expecting. 1.9% is our new inflation rate in the country. That's up a couple smidgens from 1.7% in May. And this is as a result of rising prices pretty much across the board. And this is despite gasoline prices being pretty much to the downside. Let's take a look at some of the numbers here. Gasoline prices, for example, down over 13% from this time last year, or else those numbers would have been even higher. We're paying more now for durable goods. A lot of that comes from the U.S., up 2.7%. Also, what am I looking at here? Passenger vehicles as well. Sorry, I can't read my own writing. Up 4% there. Big jump in furniture prices as well, up 3.3%. Clothing and shoes up 2%. That was a big jump from the month before. And also groceries still remaining stubbornly high, up 2.8% year over year. A little bit down month over month. But overall, this does not relieve any pressure on the Bank of Canada. They're not expected to lower interest rates at the end of July. All this meaning that prices are going up. Consumers are paying a little bit more. The economy is still firing pretty good, and we saw those strong job numbers just last week as well.
So the U.S. Labor Department produced similar numbers. Is that situation similar in terms of inflation, or what are we looking at there?
It is as well. For a fourth month in a row, they're seeing their inflation up at 2.7%. And a lot of economists overall saying this is inevitable. It's not an if, but a question of when prices will start rising. We're starting to see the beginning of all the results of the tariffs going around the world as well. Let's get a look at the markets and the reaction thereof, because this is a big market maker. We're looking at the price of oil down 50 cents, the Canadian dollar, the euro, the British pound, slightly positive against the U.S. dollar. And let's take a look at the markets now. We're seeing them pretty much shrugging these numbers off, focusing more on tariffs around the world. And we're seeing the Dow Jones a little bit to the downside, S&P and NASDAQ, futures anyways to the upside.
All right, Scott, thank you so much.
Crystal.